How to use the Quotation tool on Hik-ePartner app. Having trouble managing several price quotations at once? Use the Quotation tool in the Hik-ePartner app. With this tool, you can easily create and manage price quotes online and share them with your customers anywhere and anytime. Click More on the home page and enter Quotation. Now, let's start by creating a new price quotation. Step 1. Fill in your basic information, including your company, contact person, and bank details. If you have created a quote before, this information should automatically appear. Step 2. Add your customer's information, including the customer's name, email address, telephone number, etc. Step 3. Select your quotation type, either quotation or invoice. If you select invoice, you will need to manually enter the invoice number and currency. Step 4. Add the necessary items to this quotation, such as products or services you provide. Describe the items clearly and put them in their unit prices and quantities. Step 5. If you need to give a discount to your existing customer or add VAT in the quotation, you can fill in the relevant information as you need. Finally, after filling in all the information, you will automatically get a final price. But you can still manually modify it in the Modify column or add some notes for your customer. During the entry process, you can click Preview at any time to preview your quotation online in PDF form. After completing this process, you can submit the quotation. Once it has been submitted, you can see the quotation you just created in My Quotation, which can still be modified anytime. If you want to send the quotation to your customer, slide the quotation card to the left, and you can easily share it in PDF form to various platforms. Alright, that's all for the Quotation tool on Hik-ePartner. Hope this video is helpful for you. Hik-ePartner, Security Business Assistant, in the palm of your hand.